feel that little kickback. 1, 2, and go.
So do you typically ever do G2 road tests for people?
No, I'm not an examiner. Yeah, the examiners, that's a whole different class.
Yeah.
They work for this big transnational company called Circle. Right there here. Okay, so you can bring your speed up to 40. Should be good. Might feel the tires spin a little bit in the snow. That's normal. And we're gonna do an exercise here with the speed bumps ahead. So you just want to start slowing it down for the speed bump. And that's not gonna work. It's all frozen. Usually I put this on here and smooth braking, smooth acceleration. That's not gonna work with this.
Yeah.
And we'll keep on going straight. But the idea there is to, when you're approaching the speed bumps, just want to get that spidey sense tingling sort of thing, knowing when to start slowing down so you don't bounce everyone out of your seat. Imagine you're driving an ambulance. You don't want the guy back there to scream right when you're going over this thing.
Yeah.
So a little bit slower. Just let the front tires roll slowly over. Back tires follow through, and then back on the gas. And a little bit more gas. There we go. Now you can release the throttle and just kind of start slowing down a little bit, checking that rear view mirror. A little bit slower. We're exaggerating things a little bit. And then back on the gas, right on. Nobody's screaming.
No, so far.
So far, so good.
Thought I would be screaming.
Imagine you're hauling eggs. You don't want to break any eggs. Unless you're making an omelet or something.
Oh, good omelet. Good 4-egg omelet.
This one's a little bit higher than the other ones. People, they bottom out on this one. Right on. Doing this here just gets you used to the pressure that you need to apply to the brake. Gets you used to, throttling, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. And gets you more used to the vehicle.